start?
Let's start.
Okay, so we can just shrink the slideshow to set up slideshow and browse by individual. Okay, and that makes the slideshow smaller. So first, to find peer-reviewed journals in human geography, we can use this website to see the list of journals about geography. Okay, so can people in the back read the letters? No?
Yes.
Okay, so this site has a list of geography journals. So you can see the journals names like Geographical Review, Focus, and they are the general journals, so which have the articles both from the human and physical geography. And this is the heading for this group of journals. And the heading say general US, so these are published in the United States. And they publish both in physical and human geography articles. And there are other kinds of general journals, and they can be published in somewhere else. Area is published in Britain, and Australian Geographer certainly is published in Australia. So you can find the articles which is written by human geographers, including economic geographers, looking at these journals. And there's a group of journals here which has a heading of human geography. So these journals, like economics geography, environmental, and planning, these society and space, these journals normally have articles written by human geographers, including economics geographers. So you can also look into these journals to find the article of your interest. And the next group of the journals is called the human geography related. So this is not quite a geography journal, but it contains the articles written by human geographers. So we can just pick up the title like demography. And demography journal should have the articles written by human geographers, and that can also have the articles which is written by the specialist in public health, or mainly perhaps the articles can be written by the demographers or population specialists. So if you find articles which interest you, you can just look up who they are. And if you see he or she is a geographer, you can just count that as a geography article for this assignment. And if you want to read it anyway, I can just give you the space of 4 articles to read. And these can be written by non-geographers. So you can also pick some articles which interest you and related to your topic. And some might not be written by geographers, but you can still pick 4 articles which is not written by geographers. So you can now understand these are the geography journals, and there are many. And I also request you to read the peer-reviewed journals. And there are some journals without peer reviews. And I can just warn you that National Geographic Research and National Geographic Magazine are not peer reviewed. These are made for the popular audience. So please exclude these from the search for this assignment. So, for a short time, we can find articles in the Economics Geography or a Journal of Economics Geography here. Now, as an exercise, so I'm going to show you how to find the article in these specific journals. Any questions so far? So could you go to the HPU pipeline website and log in to the pipeline, and there's a tab called the libraries. Session expired. Please get relaxed. I know it's videotaped. So you open the HPU pipeline and click the library tab, and you can see the periodical list here. So you click it, and let's find some article related to tourism in Journal of Economics Geography. So in the title, I can just type Economics Geography to find it in the HPU's periodical list. And try that one. Okay, so we don't have the Journal of Economics Geography, so instead we should find the journal titled Economics Geography. And here you can find the Economics Geography. And in this page we can find the database which has articles inside the Economics Geography. So we can just pick Academic Search Premier because it says the articles from 2007 are available. So EBSCO is here, and we can run the search in the EBSCO within this journal, clicking search within this publication. And I can just search tourism within journal named Economics Geography. Yeah, I missed putting the time limit on the search, but I think you guys can figure this out. So there are research articles and book reviews within this journal. Normally peer-reviewed journals have the section for the book reviews. So please ignore the book reviews. I want you to summarize the research articles. So in terms of book review, in case of book review, we can normally find the explanation says books reviews. Or on the title, we can find Herency's book that normally tell this is a book review. So ignore that, and let's just focus on the first research articles here.
Question.
Yes.
So if it says book source like that, does that mean that we can use that as our one textbook reference?
No.
Okay, it has to be like a hard copy textbook.
What do you mean, like books?
I think he just
Yes.
wants us to use our textbook. He wants to use
Oh, okay. Never mind then. We're good.
Okay, so does it have the file? And we normally find the icon of PDF, but I can really find it for economics geography on this one. More recent 1 year is not available. So this article is published in 2003. Okay, I get it. So HPU subscribed to the articles after 2007. So this is published in 2003. So full text for this article is not available in EBSCO. You can instead go to the JSTOR and HPU subscribe to economics geography on JSTOR until 2006. So if you find some articles before 2007 in EBSCO within economic geography, that's not available in economics geography. Instead, you have to go to see in the JSTOR.
Quick question, how many years back are we allowed to use?
10.
10 years?
Yeah. So let's just limit the year. (2002 to 2013). We just started the 2013, 2003 should be. But if it's only have the article from anyway, I can just do this. So I can just limit the time of search, and we can just search the tourism in economics geography again. Okay, so we can find the tourism related article for now. Here, only one article inside the economics geography. And it's 2003, so we can use the JSTOR. To find it. So I can just type the tourism again to search within this title, but this time I'm searching inside the JSTOR. Okay, now you can see the same article in the JSTOR, and right now we have the line which said article PDF. So if you click that, and I can say accept the term. It should take time. Okay, so there are a couple of ways to click the line, and I right click to open the link, and now it seems to open the PDF file of the article. So this is the first page. So now you can get the article within economic geography, and that's about tourism. So if you know the title of journal, you can just run the journal title search in the periodical list of HPU. And you can find the journals, and you can run the search in the journals in the database. And you can get the article like this, or you can use a Google Scholar too to understand the sense of where articles are. So I can again say tourism, but this time to limit the search, I can also add geography into the search, so that hopefully limits the article to geography. We don't know what comes up, only with 2 words, but that's my hope. So there's some introduction of the books on the first one, but in the same way as we see in the EBSCO, I want you to find the article. So this time you can use a custom range to limit the time. And now you can see some related articles. And we can just pick up here the one, Geography of Tourism. And that's published in Progress in Human Geography. So this is peer-reviewed journal in Human Geography. So if you now know one article in the Progress in Human Geography, you can run the same search in the periodical list to find the Progress in Human Geography in the library database. And this time, you might find the article using the years of publication. So you can just click the year which you find the article, and you can check the information on the article. Here at least I can just click the link for this article in the Google Scholar, and we should have, okay, so Google here is linked to the HPU library, so instantly you can get the article here. But if that doesn't happen, you can just look into the years of publication, and there are several issues in the year. So click each issue, and you can find the article, or you can search the words in the article's title in the journal, and in the same way as you find some articles in economic geography, you can find the article which you find in the Google Scholar. So that's all I want to say. And any question on this? Okay, so could you stop the camcorder? I think that's